Okay, so today we have an unboxing video, okay? This is the Kingston Fury RAM that I got. I planned on doing an unboxing, so I'm going to do an unboxing, okay? But the difference is this is not your traditional unboxing, okay? Because I thought that it would come in like a box or something. But no, instead, they sent two of these. See, it's unboxed. Plain and simple, just the way we like it, I guess. Okay, so the thing is, both of these RAMs, or rather, all four of these RAM sticks, they are each 16 gigabyte sticks, okay? I may have gone a little bit overboard, okay? I have 16 gigabytes of RAM right now. I even made sure to get the same exact RAM, so I don't run into potential any motherboard issues. I even made sure to check if my motherboard could handle 64 gigabytes of memory. Excuse me, or RAM. So, yeah, I have that. That's good. If you want a link to the exact RAM I picked up, there'll be a link in the description below. Feel free to check that link out. But, yeah, the reason I am making this video, okay? First of all, I told myself I'd make a video of the unboxing. When it came, of course, I didn't know that there wouldn't be in an actual box. Second of all, this is actually has RGB type thing, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. And then third of all, I want to ask you guys something. Do you think that 64 gigabytes, going from 16 gigabytes of memory to 64 gigabytes of memory. By memory, of course, I mean RAM, it stands for random access memory. But do you think going from 16 gigabytes of RAM to 64 gigabytes of RAM is too much, or I'd love to know your thoughts on that, because I feel like a typical average person might upgrade from like 16 to 32, then maybe 32 to 64, or maybe even 16 to 24 type thing, just like a slow upgrade thing. But yeah, I digress. Let me know your thoughts. Comment section below. This is an unboxing. I'm going to title it as such, but it's definitely a question as well. So, oh, and bonus question for those of you guys that made it to the end. How many gigabytes of RAM do you have in your computer, be it a PC or Mac? This is a PC, obviously, because Macs don't actually let you swap out the RAM anymore. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.